and surviving this flu season with the coronavirus. I'm just going to be talking about it because it's happening to everyone, it's affecting everyone, and I think it's just a great time for us to come together because we all have something in common and something we're kind of all working through at this moment. So I'm going to be talking in this video not about the coronavirus, but how to prepare for General Conference, because I'm a member of the Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints, and we have General Conferences where church leaders will be talking to us, and we'll be hearing a lot of cool inspiration. So before we get into this video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know below what other videos you want to see. I'm going to be talking about how to prepare for General Conference. So with General Conference coming up, we've already been meeting with our families, doing Come Follow Me, and not really getting out to very many places. And conference will also be no guests, and it will just be the general authorities there, which I think will be kind of cool. I'm waiting for that moment when they're like sustaining everyone, and the general authorities like, well, it looks like from here, it's like, it looks like here from the conference center that it's unanimous, and they span to like the 20 wives in the audience. And of course, we're all agreeing because they're their wives, and I'm like, please, bless, please. I just want this moment of just like for us to all kind of laugh at the situation and just like make the fun of it. You make the best of it, not make the whatever. Yeah, okay. So I'm really kind of excited for that moment, but I think as we're preparing, we're kind of in a unique situation than before. Where this is supposed to be like a big general conference we've been warned of by President Nelson to prepare for the restoration of the gospel, or like to study the restoration of the gospel. And some of the articles I've been going over, there's 4 different First Vision articles, and I'll put the links to all those below. But Joseph Smith, throughout his life, he wrote it down or had someone else write it down, and there was 4 different versions, and they're all slightly different, and they emphasize different parts, which is really cool because like I'm a history junkie, and one of the things is when you're looking at history to see accuracy is to see different versions of the story and see if they change. Now, they're exactly the same, then that shows that someone had copied and it's not true. But if you have several different versions that are like really similar, but like little discrepancies, like that shows it's real, because that shows from different people's point of view. And for like Joseph Smith, where he told it 4 different times throughout his life, you kind of remember different parts throughout, which if you think of your memories, if you would write down a memory and then maybe in a few years try to write it down again, you're going to remember different parts. And so just to think, I think that's really cool. So I was just put that, I'll put all the 4 of those links below, as well as kind of some broad history of like what all those 4 versions are. So I put the links to those. Another great thing is reading the Saints book, and I love the Saints book. I read it all last year, and there's a second version now, but the first one really focuses on the restoration of the gospel. So I'll put the link to that as well below. You can go check that out. You can actually listen to it free. If you want a hard copy, it's like $5. You can get that. Another great thing to help is when you're studying and you're going through all of this stuff, is to think of questions and write them down about the restoration, or even to look through maybe your past journals or past notes and kind of just like go through them. That's one thing I've been going through lately, is my past notes, which I've never looked at past notes before in my life, but going through them and realizing, oh, some of my answers were already there from past conferences, or just kind of stuff I want to emphasize and things I want to learn more about the gospel, or questions I have in daily life. And so that's something that's really cool to think about and focus on as well. Another way to prepare, and I think a great way to interact with others, is to create like a group like on Facebook Messenger or a FaceTime group where you get several people together and you can kind of talk about the restoration and your kind of different knowledges, and maybe read those talks along, or read the different versions along with them, as well as the list of like the different talks from other prophets about the restoration. So you can help study those and have a group. And it's just, sometimes when you have those, what's great about having a group is getting different people's perspectives. That's really nice. Someone has put together a list of talks about the restoration, and it's like a 30-day thing, and so you're a little late if you're watching it now, but you can also just pick and choose some of those and study those. But I hope this is like a great list to help you prepare for conference. It's gonna be a great time. I'm really excited. Go follow me on Instagram, Brianna_Jo_S, and I'm gonna be talking about my different thoughts about conference, posting in there. So if you want to see them, go there, and I will be posting kind of different things that I'm learning, and also just like I want to see you guys like at conference. Send me a picture over Instagram, and I'd love to see it. But alrighty, well, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna try not to get sick, but I hope you have a great day, great night. Bye, I love you. Oh, and as always, if you are new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know below what other videos you want to see. and have a great day, a great night. Bye, I love you.